Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we'll be talking about Vignette. And a Vignette is a design space. Let's know a bit. It's a design effect that darkens or lightens the edge of an image. That is, if it guides, this is an image we have here. So if we want to darken the edge of this, from the edges like this, we want to darken it, that effect is called Vignette. For example, let's dive in straight. Click on this image here, you come to Effects, you come to Creative. This is Creative. You come to Vignette. However, you're having this black aspect because the picture has not been bitmapped yet. That is why you are seeing this effect. So first of all, then go back to and click on cancel it. Then come back. Then first click bitmap, convert to bitmap, click on OK. Click on it again, go back to Effects, click on Creative, then Vignette. So at this juncture now, you see how it fades in, it darkens in. So we have the offset. So the offset, you see how it goes in, then increase the offset, increase it, increase. Then the feather room, you can reduce or increase the feather as due to fit your pattern, like this. See the offset. So I like it this way. You can click on OK, like this. So as you can see, it creates a soft fade around the border of the picture, and then there is simply a way of trying to say a vignette. The edges of the picture or design looks slightly darker, which we just said in our class. And then this vignette, how you use it, where vignettes are used, mostly in photo editing, graphic design, as we just did, thumbnails, when you are designing your thumbnail, and then a background style, which we just did from this background section from here, which is a background section. You can fit any design pattern or any way or any style you can. For example, let's power click this in here. Let's just give it a color, and then power click in, and then you see how it fits in. So back to the class section. So, and designers, to focus attention on the center, it gives you that ability to focus on a given area. For example, this vignette right here, it's focused on this hand. It's focusing on this hand, giving it a blur effect around this picture. So, and to add depth and style to create a cinematic look, and it reduces distraction at the edge. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more.